Hi, my name is Mehdi, and I'm the founder of Panoramata, the ultimate intelligence e-commerce platform. And today we're meeting for something simple within our platform that I actually just wanted to demonstrate, just to show you the capabilities of our platform. So this is going to be quick, but I actually just wanted to show the search emails that we do have on the platform, the possibilities and what you can actually look for. So we do track more than 1 million assets right now on the platform. We have ads, we have landing pages, we do have texts as well, and we do have emails. And something cool that actually happens is that, hey, you can actually look for specific emails that you actually want to see, and they're all created only e-commerce, only the best stores are featuring a lot of the niches and featuring a lot of the countries as well. So for instance, if you want to have a look at the, buy one, get one emails that we do have on the platform, you just need to actually input that on the platform and you'll get the results right away, classified by industry. So here you go. And you do have the buy one, get one email on the platform, and you do have a lot of examples. You can actually click and see the emails for real, just right after it's there, and it's simple. You can actually say, okay, actually you want to see the buy one, get one, but only in the health and wellness industry. And here you go. All right, but actually I'm not that interested anymore in the buy one, get one, but I want to see all the emails that are featuring reviews. Okay. Here you go. So yeah, just wanted to demonstrate this. Last thing that I wanted to show is that if you go on the brand page, you'll be also able for the emails to actually look for a specific brand, to look here like the, I don't know, mode, the emails that they've been sending that is actually featuring, let's go, all the email featuring review. And okay, I only have one example, but yeah, just wanted to show the feature. All right, take care. Have a great day. If you need anything, if you have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email, find me on LinkedIn, or just, book a demo and I'll be on the call. See you soon. Bye-bye.